So as you guys can see from the title, man, we're gonna hope we don't get shot or robbed today. Oh man, but we taking the damn, this guy almost hit me. God damn. Ooh. Oh boy, a charger in the hood. Oh, that's a scat too. Look fast. Oh shit, man. I just went over like a glass bottle or something. I don't know if you guys heard that, but hopefully it's not something that punctured the tire. This is why I always usually leave this on the dash, man, like the tire pressure, because if I get a puncture, I want to know right away, man. Oh, he's selling shirts. Hustle, man. Hustling. It's crazy, bro, but I used to come right here way before like 2016 to cut my hair, when I still had a brush cut. That barbershop is still here, man. It's crazy. Almost all the same stores are here. That is crazy, man. Plaza was it. That was it for me. Like every other weekend in here. I can't see shit out this car. I really gotta look up how much it costs to live here, man, because with the rates, the way things are going, guys, for real, man. Everybody keeps saying it's a housing crash coming. All real estate is gonna be cheaper or whatever, man. No, sir. I see no sign of a slowdown, man. Put up my window. Damn. Look at all these mattresses. Yeah, I always wonder, like, when prices start going like crazy, how much are places like this affected, you know? Because like right now, guys, the place I'm living, I'm paying $16.50 for a 1 bedroom. You know, I used to pay, get this, right? Get this. I used to pay $14.50, was it? No, $1,400, I think, for a 2 bedroom, 2 bath for $1,400. And then when things started going crazy, I was there for 1 year, And these people, or the property management or the owner, they decided that they want $2,200 for their tutu. They were like, would you like to renew? Nope. No, sir. So it's crazy, but look, right? So this side is way more developed. So it's down like on the same street coming down. But as soon as you turn the corner, you have these better developed houses. So right on this side, better developed, and then going back here, you can see the less developed areas. Yeah. Bro, I might get lost in here, man. I don't even know where. It's always a Maxima or an Ultima in the hood. Oh man, ain't nobody love to race more than a dude in a Maxima or an Ultima Nissan, man. Damn. Oh, look, they don't even. Y'all don't know how to use a four-way, man. Damn. There's a cop right there, man. I think it's more. Let me go this way. I remember I used to have an ex that lived where I'm going right now. I used to have a crazy ex, man, with a bunch of kids. And actually, did I make the wrong turn? Hold on, man, I made the wrong turn. Hold on. That's not it. But it's around here though. But she had like maybe 3 or 4 kids. And she claimed that she had another one on the way, right? And she claimed it was mine. Now, let me get a little personal, guys. So if you don't want to hear this, you can you can mute the video or something. But you know, my pull-out game is strong, man. Let me tell you something, eh? I know what I do when I do it. So coming to find out later though, you know, cutting the story short, she was apparently messing with somebody else, you know. Thank goodness I didn't get nothing, but she was messing with somebody else. So I knew, bro, like, wait a minute, bro, there's no way, right? I wasn't even cutting it close, man, sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man. But yeah, in the end though, she realized that she couldn't bullshit me though. Alright, this is the place though. I don't even think this place, look, right? What's the point of this? This place is always open. Always empty, man, no security. And they have a site saying resident, and this site say visitors. What's the point if it's just always open? Just leave this thing 100% open, man. But yeah, this is where that crazy girl lived, man. The crazy ex. Oh, there's a police down there too. And put up my window, man. Oh, no questions. I didn't even think people call police in these type of areas like that, man. I thought everything is just settled like on the streets or, you know, in the homes or, I don't know. I do not think police get called out here. Yeah, I literally just passed the house where this crazy girl lived, man. Anyway, man, that's too much talking about that situation, man. Just taking a drive down memory lane, man. Thinking of some of the crazy stuff I used to get into. Ooh, that car looks sick. I was gonna reverse and come back to it. It looked like a Honda or Hyundai Genesis, the two-door coupe one that first came out. But people might think I'm scoping out their car trying to steal it or something, man. You can't be like, you have to act a certain way when you're in this place, man. I tell you, because oh shit, this guy almost just reversed on me with that truck, man. You can go. Go on, you're good. I remember one night I pulled out of here, like right where I'm pulling out of now. Right? I'm going. And as soon as I pulled out, an unmarked police car pulled me over. I wasn't even sure if it was a real police because it was just a small red and yellow light in the middle of the windshield. You know, it didn't even look crazy. And dudes came out, you know, they came out because I peeled out in my car, right? It was another Camaro I had a long time ago. But yeah, dudes came out with a mask on and everything. Like, I'm talking about full mask, man. And I'm just like, bro, I was like so scared. Because it was so dark I could barely see out the window. And two guys in a mask. I mean, they had the vest and say police on it, but you never know, man. I don't know. To this day, I don't even know if that was the real police. But, you know, they let me go for a warning. But I'm just thinking, like, what if it wasn't the police, man? Or somebody who were trying to, like, rob or kill me. Yeah. Never know, man. You know, if I was to live here, one thing I can appreciate, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. I'm pulling up on it in like 10 seconds. But one thing I can appreciate about underdeveloped areas like this, sometimes I don't like calling it the hood, but so we'll just say the underdeveloped areas like this. But places like this, man, the gas is always so cheap compared to other places. Like, look, right now premium is $3.99, right? You know, a few miles away where I live, it's like $4.50 and up, you know. But yeah, it's time to get some gas. Hey. don't know if you guys noticed, but my gas tank wasn't even near empty, man. But if I ever pass a gas station where the gas is cheap, I definitely gotta fill up, because you just never know where your car is gonna go on empty now, and then you end up getting it in an expensive place. Damn, I forgot to close my damn gas tank.